from yesterday, by the way, and just another day in, let's call it sunny, Azores.
Botanical garden.
Botanical garden. That's what Rita said when we drove up. It was like driving through a botanical garden. It is beautiful. And don't tell me that I need a haircut, please. But I have made an appointment. You know, that's one of the things when you get to a new place, customs, etc. Here you just don't walk in and can I get a haircut? No. Do you have an appointment? No, sorry. Okay, what about next month? Next month? Yes, I don't have any appointment for next month. That was 2 weeks ago, today exactly. And now I have my appointment for September 1st. So I'm gonna go get a haircut, so stop looking at me like that. I'm a wild man. Okay, the other thing is when you get to a place like this, Rita, she's getting used to this, but it's maybe a little harder for her than it is for me because of, you know, my blood is a little bit more wild than hers. But it's just a part of life. What do you say, wifey? What do you say? You have to talk also. I don't want to do all the talking.
Nothing to say.
You have something to say. Just because you're on camera, come on. You can talk when you're not on.
I'm just going with the flow.
You go with the flow? Do you like the flow? You don't like the flow?
Not right this minute, no.
Ow. What do you mean by that right this minute?
You know these stones are hard.
What do you mean by right this minute?
The stones are hard. Ouch.
See, this is the one that's pointing your ass. Come on. No, it's when you do like what we're doing here, it is, you know, it's different. It's different. The same with the shopping. You know, the shopping is different. The supermarkets are different. The products are different.
The language is different.
The language is, I don't care about the language. People, they love us because we speak English. And we try to speak Portuguese, so they get a little bit of a laugh now and then, but that's okay. You know, they like it, and they like us because they like, you know, I don't know if they like the money we bring in, but it doesn't matter. We don't have much. We're talking about money and the little rental car. That is a crazy story because I gave the rental company the what do you call it? Ultimate? What do you call it?
Ultimatum?
Ultimatum in connection with me renting a car or going down to buy a car. So they of course said, okay, we'll work with you. So they gave me extreme. I have never in my life experienced something. I know it's a little, what do you call it? God,
Mickey Mouse car.
Mickey Mouse car. She called it a little Mickey Mouse car, but that's all right. It gets us around. It's 25 euros a day, so 50 euros for 2 days. That's going to be 200 euros for a month for 8 days. It might be sound like, but it's not compared to if you buy a car and you have your own expenses. This 25 euros a day includes everything except gas. No maintenance costs, no insurance costs. That's all included. So that's a freaking good deal. I'm telling you. Go down, you can't get any car below 3,000 euros or whatever. And then you have to fight the whole car, take over somebody else's problems. No, I don't want that. I think this is the best. But let's see what's happening. Okay, what else, Rita?
We should get them from here. The rain is coming.
There's no rain. It's the clouds. No, the sun is shining in my face again. No, it's nice, and you're looking behind her. Now I'm going to go out of the picture. This is just, it's amazing. It really is. And we are, see, this is more or less over a little bit more to the right, on Rita's side over there. Down, that's where we live. That's Ribeira Grande. And over there, that's Ponte Delgado. You can see the white in the background. That's Ponte Delgado. And that's of course where we started our first experience. Scared the life out of me there. There's a guy, some people that's using this as a good place to do some jogging, which I totally can't understand. But that's Ponte Delgado where we, got in December last year. And then further up, more that way up there, that's where we have, what's it called? Where we rented in April. What's the name of that place?
Flora?
No, where we rented in April.
Candelaria?
Candelarias, yeah, that's more up going east. No, west, going west, sorry. Going west.
West, southwest.
West, yeah, let's follow the coastline. It brings you up to Candelaria. Okay, good enough.
That's enough.
That's enough for now. That's better. Now we just have to be careful about these.
Bumps. This one was not
Don't want to scratch the front of the car. Oh, it's falling down. It's not good.
Watch it.
It's not good. It's not good.
See, these are why I thought that horse was a cow.